The format is interesting, Diane. The first day is best ball, which is familiar to everyone. It's just both players play their own ball and the best score goes on the scorecard. Second day gets a little interesting. It's an alternate shot, which they only play one ball between them, and then they repeat that once the cut is made on Saturday and Sunday.
So, Elk, as you said at the beginning, you co-designed TPC Louisiana with Pete Dye. So there's got to be some great stories involving that. So take us back to, the year it happened and how it came about that you were going to be involved in this.
Yeah, there were some players that were, there's been tons of players that have been invited to join a co-designer to help, keep an eye on the golf course designer, what the players may like. I mean, I didn't have a ton of input, but I was there every day that Pete Dye was. But the big challenge of New Orleans, Diane, of course, is it's below sea level. And when we got there, this place is a swamp. And I was so interested because I studied horticulture and agronomy, in college. I was so interested as how Pete Dye was going to get this golf course to actually work. And one of the most interesting things that happened was that he built a moat around this golf course and lowered the water table off this piece of land with pumps and a system that would get that water off the golf course and make that little island feel like that it was above sea level. So it's that was where we had to start with this course. It only has an elevation change of about plus or minus 3 feet. The bunkers can't be very low. The mounds can't be very high. So how did he make it tricky? It's all with the way he positioned everything and these crazy angles that Pete wants you to look at something and make you get scared of it and go away from it. And we're going to be talking about that a lot this week.